Welcome to our channel. Today we talk about pCommerce. Shopify killer, build secure peer-to-peer commerce stores in less than 60 seconds. Collect payments securely and fulfill orders with a single click, without having to design, create or ship them. Create secure P2P stores. Quickly and easily create secure stores. All the products you'll ever need. Search and add the most profitable and high-selling products to your store. Never touch or ship a product. You never have to store, pack or ship any products. Hosting included, free hosting, storage and bandwidth for all your stores. Create stores for local businesses, a great source of income to grow your bottom line. Free commercial license, make as many sales as you want and rent secure stores to local businesses. One-time payment, no monthly fee, commercial license included. Now you can have your own beautiful and profitable commerce store and collect payments without any risk. pCommerce builds incredibly successful smart commerce stores that add products, generate traffic and bring big, secure profits with crypto payments. You can build these stores in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Set up your store. Magically create your store and connect it to a secure PayPal, Stripe or crypto payment processor. Step 2. Choose your products. Find high-selling, in-demand products only by using a keyword. Step 3. Profit. Start, run and grow your profitable online business. If you buy from our description link, we will provide you a surprise bonus. You have to do just comment a screenshot of your purchase in this video. Thanks for watching.